Hello, everyone. So, Mongolia, known for its vast landscape and the freestyle nature, is now facing a silent threat of the petroleum-based plastic waste. The even worse thing is the problem isn't just the visible trash. Recently, the microplastics have been found in human placenta. This is the Earth's purest substance. This alarming discovery shows that plastic pollution penetrates every aspect of our lives. So, recycling alone is no longer enough. We need a new solution. So, the answer is the most promising biodegradable polymer, which is PET. This material is made by bacteria. Imagine plastic that naturally breaks down into water and carbon through the microbial action. It's a circular process, one that leaves no harmful waste behind. And the best part is these plastics are already commercially available and used in agriculture, packaging, and medical applications. In partnership with Japan, we are beginning the research to understand which bacteria in Mongolia's diverse soils and waters can break down these PHA biodegradable polymers. Why Mongolia? The Mongolia is an extreme climate with temperatures that swing from -40 in winter to +40 in the summertime, and its vast variety of the ecosystems from steppe to the desert to the forest, make it the perfect place to test these biodegradable plastics. This research is the first of its kind in Mongolia. We are not just testing them down. We will explore how fast the breakdown happens, what environmental factors speed it up, and how the bacteria do the work. This is the Mongolian-Japanese collaboration and the first step towards the developing PHA-type biodegradable plastics right here in Mongolia. Through our research, we aim to optimize the process in Mongolia's unique climate and diverse ecosystems. This research marks the significant step towards the more sustainable environment. Yeah, thank you.